Malusi Gigaba's ex-side chick exposed all secrets about him. Hell has no fury like a woman scorned. Malusi Gigaba's ex-side chick is spilling all the tea on how Malusi is reportedly going through woman-like tissues and how his poor ex-wife, to be Norma, was caught in the middle. For those asking why she has decided to expose him now, I want him to be exposed. He is using woman-like tissue. Remember the woman who was allegedly carrying Malusi Gigaba's twins late last year? Well, she is back to set the record straight. I'm Malusi Gigaba's ex-side chick, the one who was pregnant with his twins, but I broke up with him after my miscarriage. He cheats too much, and he got his wife arrested. It put me off. He has apparently moved on with his on and off girlfriend Norma from Swaziland. The woman in cream pants is his girlfriend, and she works for NERF. She has her first child with a married man from Nigeria. Now he is busy with the old woman that he was on and off with before he got married to Norma. That man is a cheater of note and womanizer. Last week Friday he was with his girlfriend and his first wife doing the 21st dinner for his daughter. But he doesn't want people to know about his girlfriend. He asked me not to follow him on Twitter and IG. Even with this one they don't follow each other, but ex-first wife posted the pictures. She then narrates how he used something to end her pregnancy. I got pregnant with twins and Malusi took me to a traditional healer. He said a week later I had a miscarriage. Then I received a call from Norma saying I lied about pregnancy and I was trapping Malusi. He and this woman made me lose my babies.